आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. Solve the simultaneous vector equations for x vector and y vector. X vector plus c vector cross y vector is equals to a vector, and y vector plus c vector cross x vector is equals to b vector. The following options given to us are option first, option second, and option 3 and option 4. So first of all we will solve and then we will make the answer. So write the equations first. So given equations are x vector plus c vector cross y vector is equals to a vector, and the second equation given to us is y vector plus c vector cross x vector is equals to b vector. Okay, so this is our second equation. Now first I will take this first equation and take the cross product with c vector to this first equation. So c vector cross x vector plus of c vector cross y vector is equals to c vector cross a vector. Now see, from the second equation c vector cross x vector, okay, we can write it as b vector minus y vector. So at the place of c vector cross x vector I will write b vector minus y vector plus of, now this is vector triple product, just solve it. So you will get c vector dot y vector, c vector dot y vector multiply by c vector minus of c vector dot c vector and multiply by y vector, which is equal to c vector cross a vector. Now we will use the second equation. Okay, we will use the second equation and we will take the dot product of c vector with the second equation. So c vector dot y vector plus of c vector dot c vector cross x vector is equals to c vector dot b vector, c vector dot b vector. So see here one thing, this is scalar triple product and there are two vectors which is c vector and c vector, they are same, so it will be going out to be equal to 0. So c vector dot y vector will be equal to c vector dot b vector. Now resubstitute back the value of c vector dot y vector at this place. Okay, so I will write here b vector minus y vector plus of c vector dot b vector multiply with c vector minus of c vector dot c vector multiply by y vector is equals to c vector cross a vector. Now just simplify it. Okay, take the y vector term aside and another term aside. So c vector cross a vector can be written as minus times of a vector cross c vector. Okay, so from here I will write b vector, okay, b vector plus of a vector cross c vector plus of c vector dot b vector multiply by c vector, which is equal to y vector 1 plus c vector dot c vector. I have just rearranged the terms. So from here we can find the value of y vector, which is equal to b vector plus a vector cross c vector plus of c vector dot b vector multiply by c vector divided by 1 plus c vector dot c vector, 1 plus c vector dot c vector. So this is our value of y vector. Okay, this is the value of y vector. Let us check with the answer. B vector y vector is b vector plus a vector cross c vector plus c vector dot b vector and in the multiply with c vector. Okay, so this option is matching. Which option? Third is matching. Now check for the value of x vector. So again, first of all, now I will take the second equation and take cross product with c vector. Okay, so once again I am writing this second equation. So second equation, once again I have to see, it is y vector plus c vector cross x vector. Okay, so c vector cross of y vector plus of c vector cross c vector cross x vector and c vector cross x vector, which is equal to c vector cross b vector. So just solve it. So you will get c here, c vector cross y vector from the equation first can be written as c vector cross y vector can be written as a vector minus x vector. So I will write here a vector minus x vector plus of c vector dot x vector multiply by c vector minus of c vector dot c vector multiply by x vector, which is equal to c vector cross b vector. Now pick up the first equation and take the dot product with c vector. So it will be equal to c vector dot x vector plus c vector dot c vector cross y vector, c vector cross y vector, which is equal to c vector dot a vector. Okay, so once again see right hand side is a vector. Okay, right hand side is a vector. So again this term will be going out to be equal to 0. So from here you will get c vector dot x vector is equals to c vector dot a vector. Resubstitute back the value of c vector dot x vector is equals to c vector dot a vector in this equation. So you will get a vector minus x vector plus of c vector dot a vector multiply by c vector minus of c vector dot c vector multiply by x vector, which is equal to c vector cross b vector. Now see, bring x vector term aside and other terms aside. So c vector cross b vector can be written as minus times of b vector cross c vector. On bringing this right side, it will be going to be positive. So a vector plus b vector cross c vector plus c vector dot a vector multiply by c vector, which is equal to, take x vector common, 1 plus c vector dot c vector. So x vector come out to be, x vector will be equal to a vector plus b vector cross c vector plus c vector dot a vector multiply by c vector and divided by 1 plus c vector dot c vector. Okay, so this is our x vector value. So this is x vector value. Now check which option is matching. A vector plus b vector cross c vector, a vector plus okay, yes, first option is matching. First option is matching because here it is b vector, that's why it is struck off directly. So option 1 and 3 are correct option. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।